What's up YouTube? This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give us a big thumbs up on today's video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Focal 1000 series. This is going to be the dedicated LCR. Can't wait to get this thing opened up, show you what's inside. If you guys would like to purchase anything you see on our channel or in today's episode, make sure you give us a call. All right guys, let's get into it right after the intro. So getting things opened up, right here on top, it's going to be very similar to the other 1000 series speakers. We're going to have just a quick custom integration paperwork and install guides right here on top. I'm going to move this big box out of the way. So again, right here on top, you're going to have some more paperwork inside, just going over some more of the speaker's contents, beryllium tweeters, everything like that. We also have a few Allen keys, and we'll go over why those are important here in just a second. Again, we have the clear magnetic speaker cover. If you guys are still doing light construction in the room, or you still need to paint it, but the speakers are already in the wall, you just need to snap these things over the speakers. It'll help protect them from any drywall dust or any paint that may get on them. So that's nice to have there. And then we have the dedicated cutout template for the speaker. You'll just need to stencil this onto the wall in between the studs, wherever the pre-wiring is for the left, center, or right channel, and snap those speakers into that. And then lastly, we have the paintable speaker cover. This can be painted to anything you want. Typically, we paint these to match the room, but this is included as well. So we're just gonna put this back in the box. We're gonna go ahead and get this out of the box. The Focal 1000 series features the similar materials that the higher end towers from Focal, Sopras. This is the M sandwich cones, as well as the beryllium tweeter. As you can see, this is going to be their three-way speaker here. This is the dedicated LCRs for the left, center, or right channels. It features two 6-inch woofers. All right guys, as you can see, it features two 6-inch woofers here. It has a 2-inch mid bass here to help with the tweeter, and then it also has the beryllium tweeter there in the center. Again, super high-end materials with the M sandwich cones and the beryllium tweeter. Can only be found in their Sopras on up in the towers. You do have your plus and minus 3 dB toggle switch here, just right of the tweeter. The Focal logo down there at the bottom. Again, the Focal 1000 series is a fully enclosed in-wall speaker. I cannot wait to hear how these things sound. If you guys want a small Sopra in-wall speaker, I mean, look no further. This thing is very, very nice. Quick, getting into it again, we do have these Allen keys that come with the speaker. All you do is you'll loosen up these 4 screws around the tweeter, and you can also spin that to match the orientation. So if you have these for your left and right speaker, but you want to have your center channel below the screen horizontally, now you can spin the whole tweeter cavity to align it. Now the speaker dispersion and off-axis listening is now appropriate. I cannot tell you how happy we are to be able to offer these products to you guys. Focal is a phenomenal company, and their new 1000 series are definitely going to impress anyone that listens to them. I can't wait to get these plugged in, and here's some demos on the Focal 1000 series. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss those videos coming soon. If you guys would like to purchase anything you see on our channel, make sure you give us a call. That's going to do it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Kellen with Dreamedia. We'll catch you in the next one.